Oh hey, what's up? Doing my nails here. Some Jamberry shamrocks going on. We have Lucky Me. And then I'm throwing in some Fields of Clover. Got a nice sparkle there. Yeah, I'm just applying them. Oh, you don't know how to apply Jamberry wraps? I got you. Oh, so easy. Here, let me show you. So, first, you need a cuticle pusher, little scissors, a nail file, a heater, a mini heater from, it's folding, Jamberry, or any heat source. You can use a hair dryer. That's how I started off. Works pretty well, actually. I do prefer the mini heater though. It makes the perfect amount of heat, so it's not too hot. It works really well. So, I'll apply one and I'll show you. First, I have already pushed back my cuticles. You also need a buffer block. If you buy the starter kit, all this comes together, so you are set. I pushed back my cuticles, I filed them into shape, and then I took the buffer block and I just scuffed up the top, just so it's better for the wraps to stick to. And then normally I take an alcohol prep pad, little alcohol wipe, and I wipe down my nails to get all that dust off, any oils or anything. I don't have one with me right now because, chilling in a hotel. And I didn't have them in my baggie. Oh, also, it comes in this nice little carry bag. It's the perfect size. So I just washed my hands with some soap, cleaned them up real nice. Prep is very, very important. Definitely want to prep your nails before you do anything. Because if your nails are dirty, you got any oils, grime, whatever on there, let's be real, the wraps aren't going to stick. And you want them to last you 2 weeks or longer. So, let's do this now. Turn my little mini heater on. I take them and I cut them in half. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 nails from each size. You line it up. This one will fit my pointer, I'll do that one. So, you do not want to touch the sticky part. So you pick it up. I like to use my cuticle pusher. You can use an orange stick, tweezers, whatever. Heat it up for like 3 to 5 seconds. Now, you just line it up. Press it on. You know what, if it's not perfect, it's all good. It's okay. You can peel them back up and set them down if you just set it on there quickly. This one lined up pretty good. You do want to, I just use my fingers. You can use a cuticle pusher. Pusher on the edges. You want to get a really nice seal on the edges. That's what makes them waterproof. Just heat it up real quick again. Run your fingers over. It's going to look like that. I got these two to file down. This one I already did. So you have them on there like that. Obviously, you can't be walking around like this. Everything's going to get stuck to it. So, all you have to do is take your nail file. I usually hold it like this because, that's the way I do it. and file down. It's really warm. I'm going to turn it off a second. It heats up so quick you can turn it on and off in between each nail. Just file down. Don't file up and down. When you're touching your nail, just file down. Pick it up, down. Pick it up, down. Otherwise, you scuff up the end pretty bad. And then you just don't get a very good seal, and they might not last as long. So if you do it right, you do your prep work, you file it down nice, then you just throw this little part out. I like to heat it up just to get the tip to stick down real nice. Smooth it out. Get that seal going. My hands are cramping up. Oh my gosh. So once again, you just line it up. You just take it, you line it up, smooth it out, make a good seal. You can heat it up again, push it down, make that good seal. Real quick. Doesn't take too long. You file it down. Now this one is glittery. The glittery ones are a little thicker. I think they just take a little bit more to file them down. You basically got to file through that glitter. And I think it's easier if your nails are a little longer. This one here is pretty short. So it's right up against my skin, but it doesn't hurt or anything. Almost. Boom. Just like that. That comes off the end. Heat it up. Press it down. And just like that. I haven't done this one yet, and I gotta do my thumb. So what I do for my thumb is I find the right size. I take, no, I'm gonna do this one. I take it without touching the sticky part. You peel it halfway. Take your little scissors, cut half of it. I like to stick it back down to pick it up on this end so it's free. And then I usually have to make my thumb. It's very round. I just trim some of that down so it's a little flatter, fits my thumb a little better. Little fuzzy got stuck. See? It's a different shape. It's a little flatter. Just heat it up. Line it up. Smoosh it down. Heat it up. Smoosh it down. Make a good seal on the edges. File it. Smooth the edge. Boom, done. Look at that. It's so quick. You just go through. I do a little ripple on the end, so I just smooth that down. There, just like that. Real nice. I just go through all my nails. Boom. Done. That is it. These are the shamrock designs because it's just almost St. Patrick's Day. Yep. Pretty excited about that. Oh, yes. Yes, this is a Christmas shirt. Don't be judging. All fits in this bag. Mini heater, supplies. You're good. Just buy your starter kit. Easy peasy. You have beautiful nails. Everybody's going to be complimenting. All right. Thanks for stopping by.